Struggling with complex navigation in SwiftUI? Discover how the coordinator pattern combined with MVVM and SwiftData can make your apps scalable and easy to manage. This is the app that we will create. The user is able to add a new contact to the SwiftData database by clicking on the Add button. The contact I will now add is Smith, that has an email address of smith@aol.com. Click on the Save Contact button and then click on View All Contacts, and you can see that Smith has been added to the database. We can also like a contact. So if I wanted to like Smith or add Smith as a favorite, just click on Smith, click on Edit Contact, and then click on the switch, click on Save Changes, go back. As you can see, Smith now has a star that relates to a like. We can also delete a contact from the database. So if I wanted to delete Smith, all I have to do is swipe, and now Smith has been removed from SwiftData database. I can search or filter the database. As you can see, I typed in F and it locates all the names or contacts that includes the letter F. Or if I type in E, it locates all the names that includes the letter E, such as Fred and John Doe. On the main screen, it also shows the amount of contacts in SwiftData. As you can see, at the moment, there's 3 contacts in the database, and it shows the amount of contacts. That includes a like. At the moment, it is 2. As you can see, there's 2 stars there. In this tutorial, we'll implement these styled text fields, which are these here, the name, phone, and email text field, to enable the user to enter a new contact that will include the information, which is the name, phone, and email. So we'll implement that for the Add Contact view, but we're implementing the style text field view first. Create a new Swift file. Name the file styled text field. Import the following. Import SwiftUI, struct, style text field, text field, and the reason why we're implementing from the text field class is because we are defining a custom text field to have the relevant properties for the text field to be fully active. So the protocol methods we need to implement includes func, body, configuration, text field, self, label, and then we just return some view. And the purpose of that line is to customize the appearance of a text field. When the style has been applied, we'll create the style afterwards. Configuration, padding, so that adds padding inside the text field. Background, color, which is UI color, system gray 6, which is a light gray color. Corner radius 10 to enable rounded corners for the text field. Overlay, rounded rectangle, corner radius, not corner size, corner radius is 10. Stroke, color, UI color, system gray 3, and then the line width for the text field will be 1. We add a shadow, beneath the text field for more depth, and then we pass in the color with some of these overloads. UI color dot black, opacity 0.1, radius 5, which will be a blur radius for the shadow. And then we offset the shadow slightly downwards, 0, Y, 2. I'll just compile it. On line 27, there shouldn't be a full stop there. Recompile it again. In the next tutorial, we will start to implement the Add Content view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.